This is our UV double beam spectrophotometer manufactured by Lab India. Before starting to this experiment in the UV spectrophotometer, we want to something for the reasons which we are work in this instrument. First of all, we know that some spectrum of the, we will read in intermediate in a higher classes, the spectrum. What is the spectrum? Okay? So when we study in the spectrum basis, we simply know the visible regions. In visible regions, reflect the viewer, red to blue, the रेंजेस होती हैं. उसी तरह एक यूवी हमारी रेंज होती है, आईआर रेंज होती है, एनएमआर रेंज होती है. ठीक है. दिस इंस्ट्रूमेंट बिलोंग टू ओनली टू रीजन्स, इज ultraviolet regions and visual regions. Ultraviolet regions in 200 to 400 nanometers regions, and visible region is 400 to 800 regions. Before starting this experiment, we know about this equipment. This equipment is UV double beam spectrometer, photometer, double beam. That means the sense we observe our compound, our sample in different two wave sections. First, we go to the lecture related to this equipment and experiment via Lambert law. Here first on the instrument and take this instrument, all of the digital instrument take a warm up time of different categories. This UV spectrometer take a 15 minutes of warm up time. After warm up, the instrument respond to for calibration. Digital system calibration. ठीक है. We further go the calibration of this instrument. We put the enter button yes. System automatically calibrated himself. Then we start to our working. This instrument have two visuals, that means the source of the light in this UV spectrophotometer. For visible region, we simply use the photochromatic lights, red bulbs, tungsten lamps, and in UV region we use deuterium cells. After warm up and system calibration, the UV automatically setup is wavelength and visible region and ultraviolet region. And then the beam instrument, the functioning of the instrument is ready for doing our work. Before go to this calibration, we also know that in this instrument we use some specific cells for measuring our compound. Here is a two hexagonal paired cells, cuvettes, which are known as cuvette. This cuvette will made up of different, like this is made by quartz. We use silicas, we use glasses, but in UV region we simply use quartz because quartz does not absorb the cells like this our compounds, but if we use glass cells they absorb our intensity also, so we not use the glass cuvettes. We always prefer to use quartz cells. They are hexagonal shape, paired. They are in pairs. Like we use further we use in the first year B Pharma use limit test. We use the Lessner cylinder paired cells, just like this. Where we use opalescence stability, just like here the instrument read out their spectrum. Such these paired cells are handling are very careful. Here we sense they are. This is our keyboard is a external shape. Having some is a rough side, we always handle to the rough side. This is a transparent side where our light intensity will pass out, so does not touch this side. if we touch this, the spot are coming in this cuvette, so the interference of the radiation will occur. So always prefer to use in rough side. Okay, before starting this experiment, we preferably rinse and clean the cuvette. Then further, this cuvette capacity we always prefer to fill up 3/4 of the cells. After filling of the our compounds or reference solutions, we simply rub to the tissue paper. That's why any adherence of the waters or your substance not in your surface areas. So take precaution of using this cuvette and prefer to transfer our compound or solution in this cuvette to the pipettes, to the glass micropipettes. ठीक है, don't use through the volumetric flask, otherwise the surface of this cuvette will damage it. So our precaution for using the cuvette is always preference to use through the rough side. Always clean your surface area after putting your solutions, then put in the holder box. Here this is our functioning display. Here is our cuvette holder cells. These cuvette holder cells are in this instrument have a capacity of 8 cells, 8 cuvette we put in randomly and read out your experiment. Here this is our reference cuvette cell. This is our test cuvette cell. The beam will of this instrument will light of radiation which passes like this, and here is a grating slit. They diffracted the light in two ways. First one is go to our reference cell, the second one is go to our test cell. After putting your cuvette in the cells, we simply lead off your holders and then start to go to your function switch. Here this instrument, this is the main menu where we can observe, read out our experiment. Here this is like basic mode, quantitative mode, wavelength mode, kinetic mode, DNA proteins mode, and multi-wavelength mode, and system utility. Preferably we are simply in 3 functions we are here use. First one is the basic mode. Basic mode in the sense we simply go to the lambda and observe your readout. Second one is the quantitative mode. Different of wavelength we set and take out your readout. Third one is a wavelength scan. If you didn't know the wavelength of your compounds, simply we go the system wavelength scan. Lambda max. This is preferably known as lambda max. Our compounds have a magnification E, where we read out maximums of your absorbance. This is known as lambda max. The lambda max, that means wavelength. Wavelength जहाँ पे आपकी मैक्सिमम होगी वहीं पे वो सिंपली हम रीड आउट करते हैं. थर्ड वन इज अ काइनेटिक मोड. काइनेटिक इन द सेंस वी refer to read out in the reaction of the your compound per particular time. That means the kinetic mode. And DNA protein modes, if you go in our blood samples, urine samples, we prefer to use DNA protein mode. If today our must first we go to the quantitative modes or wavelength scan mode. If we didn't know the wavelength of lambda max of your compound, simply we go to the wavelength scan. If I want to go to wavelength scan, simply here this cursor are there. We simply go to the wavelength scan, enter the function and setup. If you want to go to setup, simply put your switch and scanning start. If you our compound doesn't know the compound is in the ultraviolet regions or in a visible region, so simply put your scanning range from 200 to 800. Scan. Then we go to scan step 1. Enter. Scan speed medium. Here first we blank out your sample. We use the blank solution. Blank solution, that means which are used in our solution rather than your compounds. Like here we are use distilled water. First of all, we go to fill up our bath the cuvette through the distilled water. Student take blanking. After that, we replace the test cuvette and fill up with the test sample and go the further functioning. In instrumental analysis, the 2 or 3 steps are very necessary before performing your experiment. The cleaning of your glassware, rinsing of your glassware. Always prefer in analysis to clean all the glassware are neat and clean, dust free. Then if you want to fill up any solution, to first to go to the rinsing of the equipments, glassware. After fill up, is simply swab off this your particles which are in your transparent surface. Then open the lid holder and place the cuvette in a reference cell. And again our blank solution we simply put in this holder. Taking precaution here, we always put your cuvette in the arrow like this. Here our transparent surface will always face to this arrow. Otherwise your particles will are not in the area of your radiations. After filling the reference and cuvette cell, we simply go your function switch. Here we want to the zero absorbance or 100% transmission. 100% transmittance या zero absorbance is the same content. ठीक, समझ रहे हैं ना? Student will read out. After beep, you simply go to the start our scanning. For starting your experiment, scanning your compound, you simple put your hands in the start button and on this. blanking is done. Okay, if you have any peaks, then the compound will show the peak. Okay, now go to the compounds. ये छोटा सा peak है. इसी समय हाँ स्टार्ट. The graph will find out it. They show this peak and also with wavelength. Okay, our peak is available. If you want to show our peaks here setup. Really? The range we set out 200 to 800. Between these, our peak are shows there. Okay. If you want to go to print, there's also the print using the software. But here today only know the functioning of this spectrum scan. Now further go to the quantitative mode. How to measure the compound in our known lambda max. If you have the known lambda max, we go to this quantitative modes. Okay. Here we simply enter the quantitative modes. Here the quantitative test जो भी आप लेना चाह रहे हैं quantitative is here. If you want to set yours lambda max, we go to symbol, go to lambda. Here here go to lambda. We set single wavelength. Correction methods में in single wavelength enters wavelength. Today we want to different lambda max counted out. So first we go to the 450. Enter. Okay. Simply our set wavelength is set. If you further blanking your substance is done, don't need about to further blanking. If you have changes your compounds, we further go to the blanking. So simply we here simply put your start button. This shows absorbance. Okay, in 450 we have 0.096 आपकी absorbance आ गई. Now further we again go to next wavelength. We simply go to lambda, single wavelength, enter wavelength 550, enter Now go to the start. It makes sense. Now next, further go to the again with changes
600.
Lambda max. Further go to lambda single wavelength 650. Enter. If you want to further go change your lambda max, again go to lambda and change 700. If otherwise 660, 680,
Yeah.
610, want go.
So do it 550 also. Let's
Yes,
see.
yes. 550 have done already.
We have done 550.
Second readout.
You can done six. We have done 600 also. 650 we can do.
450, 550 and 650.
Okay.
Okay. Now further go to, if you want to go 760, yes, 560.
Yes,
It's
we can do 560.
560.
Okay.
Further go to 570. SM permanent belong in the visible region. Visible region, that means 400 to 800, in between the 400 to 800 nanometers. If you have the like PCM in the belong in the ultraviolet region, so further we go to the ultraviolet region. This experiment of the potassium permanganate we also perform in the colorimeter. Simple colorimeter is a single beam, a simple reference cuvette. We put simple reference cuvette, then after to test cuvette, and different of regions of the visible region we take out the readout. In VIGO, red is the highest range and violet is the minimum range. VIGO will read out VIGO, VIGGYOR, violet, indigo, blue, yellow, red, green. Okay. Okay. After performing this one, we simply take this reading in your readout in your copies or take a printout. Further, we go to the calibrations of the further go to our estimation of compound performing the standards or the sample size. Okay. Language of size set. If you want to further know to the kinetic modes, we further go to the kinetic modes. If you want to know the kinetic modes, to the enter buttons. Here also ask you to your setup. This is just for setup, mod, process and search. If you want to set up our DNA mode, put the setup total time. I will further explain to you the kinetic mode is the time taken in between the reaction POSI.
Okay.
Kinetics. First order reactions, second order reactions, zero order reactions with the kinetics. Okay, chemical kinetics. So if you want to know this total time, you will set up, enter. Further you must delay time. If you want to enter delay time and time interval, जो भी आप चाह रहे हैं, if you want to 10 second, 5 second, वो आप enter करेंगे और फिर instrument is ready for functioning. Okay, this is the our kinetic mode. Now go to the DNA protein modes. Here, if you want to DNA protein estimation, go to the DNA protein modes. Here is simply the which compound, go to the coefficients, mode, unit and default. If you want to coefficient, enter input. If you want to put the input, next one is the input E2, input E3, input E4. Which one we want, we take out the readout. Mode, There are different modes. We also set it as measurement mode में absorbance difference with reference. Okay, if you want to change your unit, go to the unit button. You please select your unit button, microgram per ml. Okay, now further, here is multi wavelength mode. Here we set the multi wavelength at once and student automatically read out of change out of your wavelength. We set 10 wavelength each one time and student take the first wavelength read out, second wavelength down, continuously वो read out करता रहेगा. इसमें वेवलेंथ सेटअप जैसे हमको देना है, गो टू वेवलेंथ सेटअप, इटरेट द नंबर, जो भी आप नंबर सेट करना चाहें आप कर सकते हैं. फर्दर दिस इज 10 कॉलम्स 1 2 3 4 5 अप टू 10. वी चेंज द मल्टी स्टेप फंक्शनिंग. Now next is the system utilities. System utility we always handle through the expert person, rather who is person who take the responsibility of this instrument, like technicians, your seniors, or your authenticated person. The student will not handle this system utility functions, because having the setting, if you change, then further it doesn't find out this functioning. Okay, if you want to know the system utility, we simple enter. Here is the wavelength reset, printer setup, lamp service, clock setup, reference dark current, connect to PC, beeper on off this one. That's why this function switch always handled by the authenticate person who are responsible to this instrument. Okay, so here we today understand the how to work in UV visual spectrophotometer. The instrument manufactured by Live India. We know that what is the double beam. Can we understand a double beam? Double beam, single beam. Okay, here we use two type of reference cuvette and test cuvette. Okay, here for the visual region we use tungsten lamps, and for ultraviolet region we use deuterium lamp. Okay, the range of ultraviolet regions is simple 200 to 400 nanometers, and visual region is 400 to 800 nanometer. If you doesn't know the lambda max of your particular compound, we go to the spectrum scale. We already have the lambda max for literature. Then we go to simply study your wavelength lambda max and take out your readout. Precaution of taking up this equipment, we always handle carefully to the cuvette. By using cuvette, we simply cuvette are neat and clean. ठीक है, always touch the cuvette surface in a rough surface, don't touch in the clean surface. Okay, put your sample 3/4 of your cuvette. After putting your sample in a cuvette, set in the holder, and if you take in the function, on your function or doesn't open this holder. Okay, otherwise the system will not read out the particular appeal reading. Okay, simply up system in your main menu, go okay.